I'm Phil. I'm very Phil. My name is Vlad Tlushch. I'm Ukrainian baríton, 33 years old, and I won the third prize in Tenor Vilnius 2026.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Yeah, I'm very happy about everything. I'm still shocked that, first of all, that 3 Ukrainian singers won the first prizes, which is absolutely an honor and a big victory for my country, for our country, which is and during this horrible time. So that's really important for all of us. I don't mind about the third or second or fifth. That's not important, but important that we are here and we represent in our country. I think that's the most important thing. Honestly, it's interesting story because the whole my life I was with the music, dancing and something, and starting from kindergarten. But then somehow my grandfather, he was architect, and I have two possibilities: to be architect or to be a musician, singer. So I tried first architecture, and it was not really good. I mean, I can draw a bit, but draw, but I not very well with the mathematics, which is the most important architecture. And yeah, and then we decided to try music, and yeah, I study first the pop music, pop singing, and then I become as an opera singer. Why? I don't know. That's a nice question. I never asked myself, but. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. It's just something was there and I just catch it and I tried, and my first teacher from pop music, she said, yeah, you can try that. I think you have a good voice, you have a big voice, and just you need to develop and work on this. And then started in college, then conservatory and everything, the opera studio, and somehow I'm here. So, the dream roles for me, I think in future, maybe in 10 years, I would love to sing Rigoletto by Verdi, which is one of my favorite one. And now I think Barbiere di Siviglia, La Bohème, Marcello, I did already, but still I'm in love. Don Giovanni, yeah, this kind of stuff. Advice, right repertoire, good teacher, good preparation, and the clear view of your personality in this business, and the goal. Why are you doing this? Colorful, good preparing, and prestigious. Unfortunately, I can't speak Spanish, but I have a very good teachers. The two colleagues of mine, Tania Lorenzo Castro, she's my colleague in Luzerna Theater, and she's from Gran Canaria, and Marcela Rajal, she won the 2 years ago the first prize. She's from Brazil, so they both helped me to develop my Spanish pronunciation, and I'm very appreciated, and yeah, I'm thankful for them helping me. I would say that that's really great that Spain still doing these competitions for the young singers, which is the most important thing for us, because the victory is always good. You have money, you have contacts, you have everything. But when the young people starting to do it, in my case, when I starting to do the competitions, sometimes I'm not one, sometimes I'm going through to the final and I didn't win one. But the most important thing that I grow a lot during the preparation. The point is that, first of all, the good that your country doing this. That's really important for the culture in general, because in my country now we cannot do nothing, and we have so much talented people there, and they cannot do nothing there inside the country. They need to fly somewhere and apply. It's very important that the rich people, the mecenates, the government, they give it money for this, because we need to save the traditions. You save the traditions of Venezuela, and the classical music in general. and you invite the best managers, the directors, and the singers to be in the jury, and this is the gift for us, for young people. That's really, then in future we will be the next generation, and that's great. That's the fantastic thing to have, and we need to go on.
Bravo Figaro, bravo bravissimo, bravo Figaro, bravo bravissimo, hatte fortuna, mancherà. La 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 la. Hatte fortuna, mancherà. Sono il factotum della città, sono il factotum della città, della città.